Now we are discussing revisions on the unit number 3rd of the 10th class, sources of energy. First we have to define what is the sources of energy. The sources which are available in the nature that produces energy is called sources of energy. What is the definition of sources of energy? The source which is available in the nature and which produces after burning or other causes some amount of energy, that source is called sources of energy. First, the definition should be clear. In the basic definition should be the sources of energy is that the source which is available in the nature after burning produces some amount of energy and adequate amount of energy in the nature, that is called the sources of energy. So what is the definition of sources of energy? The source which is available in nature after burning produced heat. After burning produces heat, that is called sources of energy. This is the basic definition of sources of energy. There are two types of sources of energy. There are sources of energy. There are two types of sources of energy. First is a non-renewable source, or another is renewable source. The first is non-renewable source and another is renewable source of energy. There are two types of sources of energy. The first sources of energy is called a non-renewable source and the second is called renewable source of energy. The non-renewable source of energy. What is the definition of non-renewable sources of energy? Those sources of energy which is available in nature for a very long period of a time, but that cannot be replaced easily in the nature. It means those sources of energy which is available in the nature but cannot be easily replaced by this sources of energy. That type of sources of energy is called non-renewable source of energy. Examples of non-renewable source. First is fossil fuel. Second is nuclear fuel. Non-renewable source of energy. First is fossil fuels and second is nuclear fuels. Now we are describing the fossil fuels. What is the fossil fuels? There are various types of fuels. First is coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene oil. These are called the fossil fuels. Some nuclear fuels are uranium 235, plutonium 230. These are called fossil. These are called nuclear fuels. There are two types of fuels: uranium fuels and fossil fuels. Uranium fuels are base and fossil fuels are base, and nuclear fuels are base. These are two types of energy. So we have the homework is that sources of energy, type sources of energy, and